Spencer J. Fox.
Spencer J. Fox,
Traveling Detective.
Traveling Detective,
Is now traveling to...
Hi, Miss Lutz. How you doing? Listen, I forgot to tell Murray about something. It's about a place that he visited I forgot to tell him about. Is he in the office? Okay, I'll go talk to him. Hey, again, it's always great seeing you. Okay? Right. I gotta tell you something. Spencer, I thought you left. I forgot to tell you about the place I visited, Rock City. I think Aunt Zelda would really like it. Oh, I'm sure Mommy will love it. Murray, how did you get rid of that stain? Oh, yeah. Miss Watts helped me get the stain out. Oh, that looks good. So, tell me about this place. Why is it so good? Tell me about it. After I went to Ruby Falls, I decided to drive up to Georgia again, up to Rock City to see another band. It's called the City Raptors. What type of show is this? With dinosaurs? No. No, it's not. It's birds of prey, and they're called raptors. What type of birds? Well, they got falcons, owls, all kinds of birds that hunt for their game. Spencer, I gotta talk to Mommy about this, okay? I gotta see if she'd be interested, okay? Okay? Oh, wait a minute. Hi, Mommy, it's me. Yes. Listen, Spencer came with some pics and footage of a wonderful bird show. Yes, I want to know if you'd be interested. It's a special bird show, birds of prey, birds that hunt. Yeah, would you be interested? Me? What? You want to talk to Spencer? Why, Mommy? Okay, let me ask him. Spencer, Mommy wants to talk to you, is that okay? What? She wants to talk to me? Really? Okay, I'll talk to her. Alright. Yeah, give me the phone. Wow, hi Aunt Zelda, it's been a while. Yeah, how you doing? Great. Listen, I came over here to Murray to tell him about something I'd seen, a great bird show. It's called the City Raptors. What they are is the birds of prey. These are all types of birds that hunt for their game. Yeah, it's a fantastic show. It's something I think you really like. Great. Listen, I got a lot of photos and footage that I am going to give to Murray to show. Okay, he'll show you them too. Yeah, absolutely, you'll love it. And take a look at the footage and pics. Yeah, go see the show. Yeah, listen, Aunt Zelda, it was great talking to you. Yeah, it was great. It was great. Yeah, listen, I'll talk to you later. I'll give the phone back to Murray, okay? Yeah, talk to you later. Okay, Mommy, you still interested? You like what Spencer said? Okay, he's going to show me photos and footage of it, of the Raptors. Yeah, that's right, he's going to show me footage of it, of the City Raptors. I know, we'll go, we'll take you there, okay? Yeah, we'll go. Okay, Mommy, I'll talk to you later. Yes, I'll talk to you. I love you. I love you, Mommy. I love you very much. I love you. Mommy. I love you, Mommy. I love you very much. I love you, Mommy. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, Spencer. She wants to go there, so show me all the photos and footage of it. I want to see it. I know Mommy's really going to love it.
That dog did an excellent job. Very pretty flight. When you leave here, you'll have a appreciation for birds of prey in the natural world. By the way, all the birds you're going to see in this program today can be found throughout the United States. So many of you might even have raptors living in your backyard. Now, the barn owl gets its name because it does indeed nest in barns and silos and other human-made structures. It's an owl that can be found throughout the world. But here in the United States, it's found mostly in the southern part of the United States and some out west.
Murray, look what they have here. They have people who show different types of birds here. Really, Spencer, I would like to see that. Yeah, okay, let's be quiet. Let's see what she has to say.
That's because these birds are specially and highly designed to capture their prey. First of all, barn owls have very long legs, and those long legs are quite useful when plunging through tall grass. Also, as I walk around, you'll notice how beautiful Bob's feather pattern is. These birds blend in perfectly with their environment. Barn owls. So if you ever hear a barn owl hoot, by all means hoot back. Now this next group of birds coming out today are diurnal, meaning active during the day. John's going to come out and tell you all about them.
Eastern screech owl. I walk around with Buddy, you'll notice something a little different about his left eye. He's blind in that eye. Unfortunately, Buddy was hit by a car or truck. It's not uncommon for owls to get hit by vehicles. A lot of times these birds are hunting beside roads, along roads these days. Sometimes there's grain that's blown off trucks for rats and mice to eat. More importantly though, now the tree limb they're nesting in was sheared off in a strong thunderstorm. The tree happened to be in someone's yard. They're checking out the storm damage that occurred, and they saw these little birds look at a bird up the size of a cardinal. Sometimes they'll eat bats, scorpions, and tarantulas. This bird is misnamed. It does not screech. It makes more of a whistling sound. It does something roughly like this.
All points in between. Now, Cody is actually called a red-tailed hawk.
Murray, there's a lot of different types of birds here. A lot have been rescued. Really, Spencer? Wow, there are a lot of different types of birds here. I'm glad they were able to be rescued.
He was so lucky that he was rescued and taken to a rehab facility where they later realized that Cody simply did not have the predatory instincts in order to survive on his own in the wild. Now that's not typical red-tailed hawks. These birds are so incredibly successful with the air, breaking up the air that moves over their wing, creating silent flight. Now it's very important to fly quietly when you hunt animals like mice that have incredibly good hearing. So it helps them sneak up on their sometimes keen air prey. Now the fly one more time. Bob also weighs 1 pound. How can he only weigh 1 pound? Of course, feathers are light.
He thinks he's one of us. We can't let birds go like Gilbert or Bob the barn owl. If we do, problems come up. Those human-raised birds sometimes will not hunt. And when they get hungry, they seek out what they consider to be their parents, humans, to feed them. They might land near someone or even own someone expecting to be fed, get themselves hurt or killed or hurt someone. Sometimes a bird like this one.
Murray, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the pics and the footage. I hope your mother's going to like it. Oh, Spencer, I'm sure she's going to love it.
35 years in captivity. They don't live nearly that long in the wild. And by the way, he is typical size for a male red-tailed hawk. He weighs about 2 pounds. Females are slightly larger. Now there's
Hi, I'm Spencer J. Fox. I hope you enjoyed watching that video. Now, if you have a few moments and a few minutes, go to my cyber mall. The Spencer J. Fox Cyber Mall. It has lots of different types of things to buy there, lots of different departments and different stores. You really can't find on the internet very much. Very unusual stores. It has stores for different types of clothing for women and men, perfume, shoes, even different restaurants and food. Also, you get discounts on airline tickets and also to resorts. So go on the page that I have. Here's the URL. Go on there. Has a drop-down menu, has a categories of different stores that go on there. So go ahead, take a look. Go shopping at the Spencer J. Fox Cyber Mall.